gekom het wat die bal vorentoe laat aanval het.
Hubert. Heinrich Vols. Dis 'n sterk center hierdie. Heinrich Vols word gestuit op die ou end. Jos van der Westhuizen, John Allen, daar gaan hy nie deurkom nie. Nie vandag nie. Adrian Rigter, Evan Meyring, verander van rigting en is steeds Meyring. Is weer van der Westhuizen. Uitgehaal deur Ian McDonald, Henry Honeyball, Chester Williams, tikskoppie vir Dion Oosthuizen, Benesal is daar en Williams is uit daar. Weer Burger wat die 3 toe ken.
Suid-Afrikaners wat die bal bewees het in die agterlyn, lang aangegee deur Henry Honeyball. Chester Williams.
Chester Williams wat dit het. Die tikskoppie vir Dion Oosthuizen.
Pragtige geplaasde tikskoppie. Benesal wat terugval, wat ongelukkig die bal nie kan bewees nie. Chester Williams wat die kortskoppie vorentoe geskop het, wat hy agterkom en maak seker dat hy sy hand op
die 3-2 tekort sy laag gevat.
Held up by Strauss. The Argentinians look like they could be offside. The long ball there, and it's almost Tehran. Yes, Tehran gets away with it, and Henry Honeyball makes a great tackle, as does Francois Pienaar, who comes away with the ball. And then taken on there by Ruben Creer. Joost van der Westhuizen going in to get it. This is Narka Drotsky. Nice pass away to Honeyball. And a chance for Chester Williams on the outside. Can he get in at the corner? The referee has awarded the try. No. Yes, he has. He's awarded the try. Chester Williams is absolutely delighted.
So ek seker die hele Williams familie daar in die Parel, saam met Soom Everal. Kom ons hou net op, Narka Drotsky. Wat 'n skitterende toere tyd het vir Sverige gehad. Die vinnige aangie wat daar deur Miller weggekry word na Williams. Is hy uit of nie? Daar gaan hy deur 2 Argentyne net te laat. Chester Williams, daar sins hom terugkom. Hy was gisteraand in ekstase toe hy hoor hy gaan speel. En dan
ja, dis 'n probleem wat ons al heel middag ook genoem het. Die Argentynse skrimskakel sit nie dadelik die bal in nie.
Deon Strauss, Stransky, Johan Roux na die buitekant toe. Christian Scholes in die hande van Gavin Johnson op Chester Williams en hy moet dit kry.
Abantu abafana Chester Williams ngabantu abafana Madleza kuphazanywa kubo. Uthi bangaba kuphazamile bakusebenze ubheleke i-try ezifana neziya. Indlela edlala ngayo South Africa nanso isiza kakuhle phaya. Awungena kakuhle pha ngifana umdala kwayinikezela amba uChester Williams awulala ekoneni kanye. Uthakanda akayibeka wacelisa into kaDani Geba kudala.
Is ook daar. En Stransky. En Henny Leroux ook daar. As die bal vasgehou word. Kortskopie deur Francois Pienaar. En dan kom hy na Uli Smit. Hy hardloop nog steeds, maak of hy uitgee, maar bly op sy voet, hy is baie stewig en dan is dit Chester Williams wat afstamp en deur hardloop. Hy moet hom kry, moet hom onder die pale gaan druk en hy gaan dit doen. Ja.
Nou ja, dis 'n goeie 3 hier deur Chester Williams. Ek dink dit is wat die Suid-Afrikaners miskien nodig gehad het, hierdie beweging en hierdie punte om weer terug te kom in hierdie wedstryd.
Sy derde toets 3 as ons weer daarna kyk en al 3 sy 3 teen Argentinië aangeteken.
Uli Smit wat hier die bal kry, dan sien dat Williams hom baie goed in posisie gehardloop, uiteindelik manne binnekant.
I mean, he's let the play go, he's let the flow go. Look at that ball for Joost van der Westhuizen, and the Springbok forwards going so nicely forward. Andre Joubert coming into the back line. It watches for pace, and Peter Hendricks should get in for his second try here. No, Chester Williams comes over and says, I want to get busy here. Right over from the left-hand side of the field. Beautifully fed in by Peter Hendricks. And Chester Williams, his first try of the tour.
Nou hierdie veld is bekend as 'n cricketveld. Op hierdie einste veld het Garfield Sobers 6-6 in een beurt geslaan. Die Springbok het sopas hulle 50-tal in rugby behaal. Eindelik 'n crickettelling. Andre Joubert, kyk na die vaart van hom. Vasberadenheid op sy gesig. Nie 'n baie goeie aangee na Peter Hendricks nie. Peter Hendricks besef dat Chester Williams wat van die oorkant af oorgekom het is aan sy binnekant en die eerste
22 years old only. He's got a great future in front of him. This is Francois Pienaar, desperate tackle by Doddy Ware. Now Van der Westhuizen, beautifully hands there by Henny Leroux, and look at that from Rudolph Charlie, and Chester Williams will make it for the 5-pointer. Oh, the boys are playing wonderful rugby, and look how delighted Chester is. All his tries before have been against Argentina, and now he gets one against a major IRB country.
Kyk na hierdie drie. Andre Joubert, die argitek, hardloop in die gaping in, Strolley daar met sy ondersteunende spel, en kyk hoe mooi Chester Williams dit gelees. Hy hardloop in daardie
Van der Westhuizen needs to be wide awake. Is it going to be a tap from Mark Andrews? That's good play by Joost. Now Henny Leroux, he didn't have the support on the inside that he was looking for. Ruben Clear was the first man there. They need to just get it loose now as they and come around. They need to loosen it up. This is Van der Westhuizen, and he's got a gap. Look how he goes through it. He's look at this, Andre Joubert. Chester Williams, Chester Williams, Chester Williams, Chester Williams makes the try.
'n pragtige, wonderlike welkome 3 vir Suid-Afrika, maar dis Joost van der Westhuizen weer die onverwagte wat hy uitvoer. Andre Joubert weer die planmaker daar, die man wat die man oor bewerkstellig. En wat 'n pragtige gesig. Hou vir Joost van der Westhuizen dop. Hy neem die steelkant. Kyk hoe netjies hardloop hy in die gaping in. En nou het hy 2 opsies. Gaan hy binnekant toe gee of buitekant toe? Andre Joubert is daar. En Chester Williams, soos 'n sneltrein kom hy deur. En Chester Williams uitmuntend. Stamp sy man af. Dis Springbok.
Oh, that was the execution of Christian Stewart. That was Jan Marie and pitcher. Tap down to Western Province. They certainly haven't had the line-out possession that transfer. This is Chester Williams. This is great running by the small wing. He's backed himself to beat Van Rensburg on the outside. That is a great try.
Well, there's celebration at Newlands this afternoon as Chester Williams comes alive with another little piece of brilliance. And look at the jubilation on that man's face this afternoon. Wonderful try, backed his pace, and there's no doubt that you can see as Joel Stransky comes across, and Chester Williams, like a knife through butter, takes his chances. He knows he can beat Theo van Rensburg. He's not the slowest man on this field by a long way.
Tap coming on this occasion from Mike Meeker, but that's Mark Andrews going through. South Africa will want players running off the ball at pace. On this occasion, there's Pienaar just to take the brunt of that first tackle. South Africa have got numbers on the outside. Now he has a real chance. That's great running by Joubert. Chester Williams will score.
Started by Pienaar, and there's the good possession. And a long pass out. And here's Andre Joubert. See how he draws his man beautifully. And there's Chester Williams going for the corner.
Staatmaker, kyk hoe mooi vat hy vir hom. Nie 'n goeie aankie, die mag goed raak gevat. Hierdie aan, dis nie aan van Ruben Creer. Kry vir François Pienaar. Brendan Venter moet moeilik raak vat. Christian Scholes en die Leroux, dit lyk goed vir Suid-Afrika. Gavin Johnson het vir hom deur Christian Scholes. Hulle is so 5 meter binne die kwartgebied. Dis Joost van der Westhuizen en François Pienaar. Kan hy uitkom as Suid-Afrika nou vinnig? Hier kom hy. Christian Scholes, Japie Mulder. Kom hier tussen die voorspelers waar hy deurkom. Dis die doellyn van West Samoa in die agtergrond. Henny Leroux, 'n lang aangee na Ruben Creer, na Chester Williams, na die oorkant toe na Chris Rousseau, wat vir hom probeer spasie kry. Terug na Ruben Creer, na Chester Williams. Hy kom sy tweede drie. Alle wêreld, dit was mooi. Dit was pragtige rugby van Suid-Afrika. Pragtige rugby. In die sin dat Suid-Afrika 3, 4, 5, 6 keer die bal in tweede, kom ons noem dit tot 'n 6de fase wat hulle besit gekry het. Pragtige balbeheer. Elke slag vorentoe gespeel.
Andrews this time recovered from injury. Well, that certainly spurred Mark Andrews on. Aggressive driving from him down the line it goes. Ruben Kruger, he's done really well now. He has a chance for Chester Williams. Can Williams get in? Great running by Chester Williams. Hat-trick for him. Three tries in the match for the Western Province Flyer. First Rugby World Cup match. Well, you can just hear what a popular man Chester Williams is here at Ellis Park as the people shout out, but Ruben Kruger did well to get through initially and pick up the man that he needed. The long pass, now watch Williams, he's got enough pace. It was a super try, he kept himself...
Oh, dit was dan nog nie nodig om die man as 'n stit te gebruik nie. Was nie aanslaan nie, skeieregter wag steeds vir voordeel. Chester Williams is nou skrimskakel. Chester Williams gaan deur. Het hy eet hom. En dit gaan Chester Williams se 4de try wees. En hier in die diskant kan jy glo, is dit Sila Waiwala wat werklik waar met Pieter Durant wil kom gesels. Chester Williams druk sy 4de try vir Suid-Afrika in hierdie toets. Oh, wat 'n manier om terug te keer na jou geliefde span. Adrian Rigter was daar.
En dan die lang aangegee buitekant toe. Suid-Afrika wat buitespeel, pragtige posisie. Chester Williams wat daar deel was. Stroili wat pragtig aan die binnekant bly. Na François Pienaar, hy kan sy man net nie klop nie. Probeer op sy voete bly. Kan net nie aangee vind na binnekant toe nie. Strafskop in Suid-Afrika wat onmiddellik van die kortskoppie gebruik maak om vorentoe te speel. Jos van der Westhuizen, dit is nie 'n aanslaan nie. Onmiddellik is Suid-Afrika se voorspelers weer by. Dis 'n kenmerk van vanmiddag se spel. Hulle is soos 1-8 by. En dan kom die bal beskikbaar. En Chester Williams is 'n wafferse voorspeler wat daar oorbeur sukkel om die bal te kry. En dan kom die manne by. En dis nie baie duidelik of hy wel die bal daar gedruk het nie.
Maar hy is 5 punte werd. Hy glimlag.
Who got the extra pace on the second punch.
End result, South Africa scrum. Van der Westhuizen to Joubert. Like an arrow. Just happy to taking them back to their 22, where it's Callard. Has to keep it in play. Stransky. Getting a bit of the bird from the crowd. Carling. Rory Underwood. Tempted to have a go. Slight trouble here. Big trouble here. Chester Williams, it's a run-in to the corner for Chester Williams this time, no mistake. And a little salute from Chester Williams. Swiftly makes amends and scores his 16th try for South Africa in his 15th international. Some record that. And this really was England disaster here.
The poor play here by Rory Underwood and Will Carling. Slips trying to counter-attack. The ball goes out. You know, once it bounces kindly for Williams, then it's a formality, the run in there. And he didn't actually ground the ball then, and the referee...
came on in the final as replacement against New Zealand. So he'll slot in readily enough. Injury trouble for Tim Rodber. Meanwhile, as South Africa have possession, it bounces off Rodber to Leroux. Henny Leroux in the centre. The Transvaal partnership and the Northern Transvaal of Van der Westhuizen. They mount it again, South Africa, inside England's 22. Still in play. Rodber back on his feet. South Africa possession from Stransky. This is Joubert. Chips through, but it's beyond Small, but picked up by Williams. Caught just short of the line, he's carried over, and Chester Williams has scored again. And the pressure told, and it's sheer delight for Chester Williams, taking opportunities that have come his way. He scored only 4 tries in the World Cup. They were all in the same match against Western Samoa, but he's now added 2 more. His personal tally goes up to 17 in 15 internationals, and England are in trouble.
As we see it now, the double miss. Andre Joubert come to line, looks up. The England defence is dragged into him, chips it behind them. All out of his own there, Chester Williams. It looks as though he slips actually a yard from the line, but it just shows that the lack of England support, that he has time to pick himself up and score the try.
Ground every time, and that's really slowing it up badly.
See that Marty's scrum Very powerful. They've driven well. Engelbrecht. Marinos, he has a chance. He could have got it away. Rue did well. And Chester Williams is right over there. Chester Williams get his try. And the crowd love it.
Well, Chester getting his try down there on the popular side. Obviously, look at those happy fans. And not a question of city, 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 but a question of Chessie, Chessie, Chessie. Really doing well. Marinos cutting inside. That's Rue again with the pass, letting it go there just on time, and a very quick flip on, and Chester doing enough to get
the Bulls have it. Van der Westhuizen. Williams back. And out on the full. Williams quickly in to another replacement. I think that's Johan van Wyk. Yes, it is. Chance here for Tricha. Gets it to Christian Stewart. The crowd is screaming, tackle, tackle, tackle. That's fine. On the feet, Blue. Province with some fresh legs on the field. We've also got the Kobus Visagie going in there. Now it's Horty Low, who lays it back nicely. Van Zyl was there. Last feet, Blue. Last feet. Boom drives it over the Bulls 22. Van Zyl. Marinos rather, Stewart. Chester Williams was far out. The bounce is perfect for him, and he crashes in. This game has come alight.
Tweede fase besit Christian Stewart. Hy som die situasie baie mooi op. En Chester Williams, hy's nog so uitgeslaap soos altyd. Word behou.
So attacking options here for South Africa.
Stay on.
Force Swanepoel, a little bit of space. Tried to find, does he finds Williams. Williams darted through the tackle.
Ja, op die stadium die All Blacks verdediging wat nie baie suiwer is nie. Cullen wat sommer baie maklik vir Chester Williams daar laat verbykom. Maar het was 'n middelskram geweest en het was moeilik om te verdedig daarvan af. Vols het die bal opgetel, dadelik die man oorbewerkstellig met Swanepoel. Swanepoel hy oorslaan aangee en dan sien ons Cullen wat gryp.
Marco Drotske of South Africa playing against his own countrymen. Spencer. Mishap in midfield. Daniel Herbert has made a mistake. Chester Williams is going to score, or will the dead ball line beat him? Chester Williams opens the account. Oh, seconds into this game, and Chester Williams has opened the Springboks account.
Well, I'm afraid that was just sloppy, wasn't it? Bad pass, didn't clear up properly, and a very simple try.
Chester Williams back on the left wing, one of the heroes of the South African World Cup campaign of '95. Daniel Herbert not able to take the pass. Chester Williams in the clear. Not many Barbarian shirts back there. Good footballing skills, and now it's just a race against the dead ball line, and Chester wins it.
Did he bounce it though? I don't think so. And in the tradition of this game, they probably won't care anyway.
Greens have had most possession. The Greens trail by 19. Just goes to show. Meanwhile, Paulser, they must score surely. One-on-one, Chester Williams against Cullen. This time, Chester Williams wins it.
Well, that is a reverse of a mirror move of the one that got Braden Paulser his try. You watch again, two centres and blindside winger are in to stop and check the Barbarian defence, and that gives Chester Williams a lot of room. Watch the inside men here coming short. There we go. Fleck, Mulder.
Du Toit gave it early. Perhaps he gave it a bit too early because it gave Cullen a chance to get across, but Chester finished it with style.